Hisense, ConnectLife App, connecting the refrigerator. To add an appliance to the ConnectLife app, press the Add Devices button. Select and press the Refrigerator button option. The ConnectLife app is ready to scan the device code. Allow ConnectLife access to your smartphone's camera if it has not already been enabled. Locate the scan code inside your refrigerator. On the refrigerator cavity's middle left side is the scan code. You will need this scan code. To pair with the ConnectLife app, place your phone's camera over the scan code until the ConnectLife app reads and scans it. Once verified, follow Step 1. Step 1. Close the refrigerator door and press any button on the control panel to activate it. Press the next button and follow Step 2. Step 2. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. The Wi-Fi indicator light will begin to blink. To search for the new appliance in the ConnectLife app, press the Next button. Once your refrigerator has been found, select it. Scroll and select among your available networks. Press the check mark to confirm your selection. Only 2.4 GHz networks are supported. Enter your Wi-Fi password and press Connect. The ConnectLife app will take a moment to update. Once connected, name your refrigerator and assign it to the room you placed it in. Then, press the Add Room button. The ConnectLife app will take a moment to update. Then, press Save. Your refrigerator will now appear in the room selected.